In front of me is Nokia 5.1 Plus, and let me show you how to activate call waiting on the following device. So first of all, you have to open your phone dialer, then find and select more icon right here and go to the settings. Then go to call and accounts and select Virgin Mobile, so it's the first option here. Finally click on additional settings where you will find call waiting feature. So unless it is active, just tap here to activate this feature, and then you will be notified about incoming calls during another one. So once it is not active, just click on it. Obviously you can switch off this option the same way. And that would be all. This is how you can activate call waiting. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.